So we just got the W4 Pro AI interpreter earbuds from the Timekettle, and I'm so excited actually to check it out because this is a very cool accessory which in theory it should allows us to do a real-time translation playback and even a phone call and an online meeting translation. I'm excited to check it out. So let's unbox it first, obviously. That's the beauty of it all, right? So I have this now. Boom. Oh, this is decent. Ooh, look at that! Look at this beautiful box, actually. Boom! Nice. Okay, let's open it. I know you can see it. Come on, be honest. Yes. Look at this. This is very slick. Nice. It's actually in like a handheld box. So thanks to it's very nice and holding in the hand. So that's cool. Okay, before we open that, let's actually see what else is in the box. So we have some accessories. Some charging cable, USB-C to USB-A, alright, so it's a standard. Anything else in the box? Nope, that will be all. Alright. Oh wait, but there is some stuff here as well. Probably some manuals. Yeah, I had a feeling some manual. Nice one, nice one. Whoa, this is cool. Okay, so it's like a right and left. Look at this. OMG, they look so cool. Did you thought that this will be an interpreter, AI? Like, OMG, it looks very nice. So it's like an open ear kind of design. I like it. It looks so sleek. And look, and this closing itself makes it so sleek. And actually the magnet holds very strong. I like it. Well done. Alright, so we're starting with, the first one. Tear off the insulation first. Done. Boom. Okay, so regarding the design, I can see this is the open ear kind of a thingy. Look at this. This is looking very slick. I like it, The design of it is pretty cool. And it sits nicely in that, cover, in that box, which is currently charging it, I can see. So you can see that, it's built that it actually charges it. And I like how it's done, And then you have a second one, which is right here. And it charges again. And then what you do, if you want to charge it together, just connect it. And then you have a USB-C on the back. Well done! Like, this is such a sleek idea. I like it. So the model of those is the Timekettle WT4 Pro, which is their newest model from last year. So before we actually test it out, let me tell you a bit more about those. So from what I can see, it supports quite a lot of languages, because I can see it's 42 languages with over 90 accents, and also have a 13 languages offline mode, which is pretty amazing, 42 languages, that's pretty nice. And when it comes to the modes of this device, what we're going to test out is the one-to-one. So it's actually each of the persons having one of those and just having a loose conversation. Then it has the listen and play translation, which allows you to, for example, listen to a meeting, for example, and then it will translate the meeting for you. Or if you want to, speak in your language, then, for example, you can send it to your phone speaker and phone speaker will say in that language. Pretty nice. And it's even having the option to translate the movies and series. And obviously, like, it also has the voice call translation. So if you have international voice calls, it is pretty interesting. So let's check it out. All right, it just upgraded for me, so I can see it upgraded the firmware. So let's test it out. All right, so obviously I'm gonna test it out first the listen and play. So I'm gonna talk to you probably in some different languages. Listen, so I can immediately see on the app, I can choose one-on-one, voice call translation, listen and play, or the multimedia translation. So let's go with listen and play. So I'm gonna set it that it will, I'll talk English obviously, and it'll say, let's say Chinese to you. Hi everyone, how are you doing?
大家好，你们好吗？
Thank you for listening to me.
谢谢你听我说。
Are you all having a great day?
你们今天过得愉快吗？
Let's change the language. Maybe let's talk some French right now.
Peut-être devrions-nous parler un peu français maintenant.
OMG, this is amazing.
Tout est bon sang, c'est incroyable.
Maybe some Spanish?
Quizás algo de español.
Oh, can anyone tell me who is actually Spanish if it's okay pronunciation?
¿O alguien puede decirme quién es realmente español si la pronunciación está bien?
That is cool. So we obviously checked the listen and play. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check the multimedia translation, and then at the end we'll also check the basic one, which is one-on-one, and the voice call translation. So I've turned on some Korean drama on my Netflix. Yeah, that's what I chose. I've set the language for Korean, and I'm gonna start the actual translation. And I can hear it as well. This is so cool. So it does actually allow you to, listen to that. Oh wow. All right, so let's get into the, phone call conversation, and I'll actually have to use my girlfriend to help me out. Okay, so I brought my microphone a little bit closer because now I'm gonna do a test, and actually I'm gonna call my girlfriend, who will speak to us in Polish while we will cover that, and let's see how it actually works in the English, So I'm gonna put the microphone right here so you can also hear what she's saying and how it is translating for me. So I'm gonna set it up right now on the voice call translation, and I'm gonna set it that the other person is Polish, and then it will translate the English to me. Let's check it out. So it does tell me to actually wear both of my earbuds, so let's see. Hi honey, how are you doing today? Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good too. So what did you do today?
She was in preschool with my daughter, definitely on the playground. Then we went skateboarding because we had a great time.
Awesome, thank you so much for your help. Bye-bye. As you can see, it translates the live conversation, so you can hear in one ear the person speaking in their language, and then the translation in the other ear. That is pretty cool. And when you want to speak to someone, directly, what would you do? You would just give them one of the earphones, and then you can have a seamless conversation. Honestly, it's one of the best gadget I've seen recently, on the market, and I was just so surprised how actually good it, works. OMG. This is just so cool. I can see that when it comes to the talking, it actually covers, any app. So you can talk through WhatsApp or normal voice call, or even, Google Meet or whatever, or you can even have probably a meeting online with that. And I can see it has a 3 mic kind of a voice, a reduced precise pickup. So it's very nice. And the cool thing is about it is that it actually doesn't go inside your ear because that speaker is right here. So it actually, you can wear it for a longer period of time and it still feels fresh and it feels nice. I like it. So from what I saw on the spec, it has 6 hours of the continuous translation and 10-minute charge for 1 hour of translation. So that is decent. That is something which I think is just pretty awesome. Yeah, thank you so much Timekettle for sending this to us. I do appreciate that very, very much, and I'm very happy I could cover that on this channel. What do you think? Yay or nay? So I found that, you know, if you want to learn a bit more about it, I've also attached the link in the description of this video. So when it comes to the pricing, which is the last thing, it cost £449 or $449. So we have a pretty big jump there, but I think it's absolutely worth it. Check it out.
MadTechTalk, tech so fly, breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like, don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.